Boardmix, a visual collaborative whiteboard for office, meeting, and creation. An infinite canvas, communicating at any time and any place. Support real-time collaboration of hundreds of editors. First, we'll show real-time collaboration. In presentation mode, other collaborators can follow your view, interact with you, and join your video meeting, making real-time collaboration more convenient. With only one click, you can quickly locate the slides and enter the presentation mode. Moreover, the clear layout and quick switch method of the roadmap list can definitely boost your speech performance. Boardmix provides teams with the share and invite features to work more collaboratively. You can share team files by inviting members to join the team. You can also share individual files with teammates and grant them viewing or editing permission. You can comment on any area on the canvas and other collaborators will reply to it in real time. It is ideal for strategy planning, brainstorming, presentation, and so on. Once you add a comment to an element, it will snap to and be moved together with the element automatically. You can also select an area to comment on. Click the chat icon on the toolbar in the upper right corner to begin communicating with your collaborators. Edit messages and press enter to send them as quickly and conveniently as any other chat program. Don't worry if you're not online. When you reopen the canvas, you can immediately see the new message. In order to have more fun and interactions in collaboration, Boardmix provides teammates with various emojis or stickers to express themselves and give feedback in real time. The voting function is always used in discussion and decision-making. Click Vote. Enter the topic and choose the elements as options. Click Vote. Are you afraid of running out of time during the presentation? Do you want to set a timer for class interaction? That's what Boardmix Timer can do for you. Click Timer and set up the countdown, then click the purple button to start. Use the pen box in Boardmix to paint lines and graphics, mark and draw on the canvas. It's a fun way to bring people's attention to something important. Take notes and highlight points in Boardmix. Make annotations in real time during the meeting. Next, let's look at the ideation tools. Text is a key element to jot down ideas during brainstorming and communication. Blocks are a user-friendly content carrier that helps you organize structured content with text on a canvas. You can write down ideas quickly by creating a title/subtitle and adding a text block. You can also add text hyperlinks to cite other Boardmix files or link to external websites. Connection lines in Boardmix allow you to create links between basic elements, such as graphics, text, images, shapes, notes, mind maps, flowcharts, etc. to indicate order and connections, or to annotate something on the canvas. Mind maps in Boardmix help you quickly capture and shape ideas, better express yourself, and greatly increase efficiency. Moreover, all team members can work quickly on the same topic and then discuss it together to give feedback. Choose Mind Map, then you can add subthemes by pressing the Tab key, or add same-grade themes by pressing the Enter key. Besides, the parent nodes can be transferred to tables. Shapes in Boardmix are a fundamental tool for any project. Many of the selected shapes help you build flowcharts, organization diagrams, UML diagrams, BPMN diagrams, etc. Open Shape Library by pressing the S key and start the ideation now. Sticky notes on canvas is another form of popular sticky notes in real life. Press N to create sticky notes. Cards are another form of blocks in Boardmix. It helps organize content in a simpler way so as to manage the project easily. Besides, it can be switched to blocks and vice versa, which enables you to enrich your content and visualize more complex information. Card Kanban is a structure management tool in Boardmix for project planning, project management, idea sorting, etc. It can help you organize structured content on the canvas with cards, and sort out the cards scattered around the canvas into blocks. You can switch the block form of Kanban or set the display content to better assist you in project management, content creation, and visualization of key information. You can use frames to organize elements on the canvas. During the collaboration, you can hide the content that you want from other collaborators. During the presentation, the frame will be automatically added as a roadmap node for convenient locating. Boardmix also offers two kinds of auto layout frames, helping you organize elements in them. You can easily create tables by pressing the B key. Boardmix tables help to organize messy content on the canvas in a better way. On the table, you can paint it with color, add rows or columns, adjust height and width, merge cells, etc. Embed Web Page is an exclusive feature provided by Boardmix. You can collect all kinds of websites and present them on the canvas using cards. What's more, these cards can be dragged and stretched, and connected with other elements using the connection lines. The embedded web pages can be displayed on the canvas with text view, card view, or preview. You can also use split view while displaying the embedded web pages. Let us check out the resources offered on Boardmix. Pexel, Sticky Note Library, stickers, emojis. Bundles of fun resources are available to use. You can also collect the stickers you like and upload them to Boardmix. Then, you can drag and drop them onto the canvas if you want. Now let's look at how to import, export, and manage files. There are 3 ways to add files to the canvas. Drag the image and drop it onto the canvas, * image only. Use shortcut key Ctrl+C/Ctrl+V. Click Upload and select the form you want. Various formats are supported, including MP4, MP3, and other common formats. Support exporting files of PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG, and BDX formats. BDX is the exclusive file format of Boardmix. BDX files can be exported from and imported into Boardmix seamlessly. You can create a PPT with frames and roadmaps. Generate Word files with the document tool, and finally export them to PDFs. Boardmix supports creating multi-level folders in individual or team spaces. Multi-level folder management helps you organize your files efficiently. It utilizes multiple folder layers to keep files organized and easy to find. Multi-level folder management also lets you create files by category, making it easier to find the files you need. Multiple teams can be created to help manage files and projects in a more organized way. Team members can be granted to various permissions including the editors, viewers, and guests. Teams, projects, and files can all be transferred based on needs. Boardmix Enterprise Edition enables users to flexibly manage member permissions. Moreover, enterprises, teams, projects, and files can all be transferred seamlessly. The Independent Enterprise Backstage supports functions like member management, team project management, security management, audit log, asset handover, turnover management, resource management, and more. In addition, Boardmix offers video conference, navigation map, version history feature, and reading mode and ZN mode for more convenient collaboration. Try Boardmix for free and explore more features now.